What's up everybody, it's your boy the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on something that I've been waiting on for a very long time. Luckily enough they had it in stock, thank God, because I've been waiting for it for a long time. Without further ado, let's get to this motherfucking video, show you guys what it's all about. Let's hit that bird's eye view, baby. Boom, TOMB45 Beamteam XL, okay? Guys, this right here is a mother game changer, okay? Game changer. I have the compressor that I bought. Separately, I bought a gun and it's got cords everywhere. It's crazy. We don't want cords. You know what I mean? That's what we're all trying to do. We're trying to go cordless. That's a new thing. You know, all my clippers are cordless. My Magic Clip, my Seniors, my FX, Babyliss FX trimmers, my Babyliss FX02 shavers. Everything is wireless with the TOMB45 expansion pads, power mat, and PowerClips. But the good thing about this baby is that it's got wireless charging built in, you know what I mean? Built in. Without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing. All right guys, so here it is. Comes in a really nice box. Just got it today actually. Really nice box. It's got a magnetic lid. Look at that, eh? Oh my God, look at that. Whoa, magnetic, I love it. Oh, magnetic, baby. All right, it's got this nice foam sponge to protect it during shipping so it doesn't bang all over the place. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that, boom. Okay, guess we can get rid of this, right? Woo! Beamteam Cordless Compressor XL. That's your Beamteam Cordless Compressor. And basically in here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in here is basically all your components. So in here is where you apply your solution. This is your airbrush can be replaced, which is the handle, the gun grip. This is the trigger here. Twist and pull for quick release. Right off of the compressor. Here you got your on and off switch, 2 speeds, high and low and off, and your battery charge in the back, which is a nice LED. And then you got, you know, an advanced compressor to enhance your artwork, promotes longer lasting enhancements. And always remember guys, when you're applying your enhancements, spraying skin after alcohol or aftershave is applied to your client's skin is recommended. So it strips the skin of its natural oils. Say this is your skin behind here, but you're spraying it onto the oil. When you hit the shower, it's gonna wash away all this oil and the color's on top of the oil, right? So your color's gonna go away too. So you gotta use that alcohol or an aftershave to completely strip your skin of those oils so the color will stain the skin, okay? And what color we're using is the TOMB45 No Drip Black and Black Brown. Okay guys? And then you got your airbrush maintenance, okay? And it just gives you a little breakdown of how to maintain your brush. Okay, so that's that. Boom. Anything on the back? Got a picture of my homeboy right here, Beamteam. You know, shout out to you, Beam. 2 times the air pressure, rechargeable battery. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bright there. Rechargeable battery, new heavy duty charge cable. Compressor only runs while spraying, give much longer battery life. New upgraded trigger, airbrush gun included. New ergonomic and lightweight design. LED battery charge indicator, a wire brush cleaners included. Works great with the TOMB45 beard and lineup enhancement color, which is the no drip right here. And for warranty, you contact sales at TOMB45.com if you have any issues. They are amazing. All right, ladies and gents, so this is where the magic goes down. Remember guys, I'm not taking everything apart. I know my homeboy Sean checked it out and he went through the whole disassemble, reassemble, cleaning, and all that type of stuff. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave a link in the description below, and I will leave a card somewhere in this video that you can click to go check out his video for that specific video of him pulling this whole gun apart and putting it all back together, cleaning it and all that. It comes with 2 types of cleaners. It comes with some pipe cleaners and it comes with some steel cleaners. I guess it's just a preference, whatever you choose, whatever you like. Getting on to the gun, guys. I love this gun. Pow, pow. Sick gun. Oh my God, first gun ever. I haven't even tried it yet. This thing looks dope as hell. So basically you would use those pipe cleaners. You would take all this apart. Again, check out Sean's video. He'll show you exactly how to disassemble and reassemble and clean in between. But basically you use those pipe cleaners once you take all this stuff out to reach down here if there's any color clog up and all that type of stuff. You know what I mean? You would use it in here, down that little hole there if you guys can see it. You know, you'd use it basically all over the gun wherever it would fit, just to kind of get things out. Any color clog up, basically. Really good quality gun. Love this thing. Amazing. Then on to the bad boy right here. Look at that guy, eh? Woo! Oh my, it's so pretty, man. Man, y'all did a good job on this. For real. This is the power button here. Whoop. That ain't a good idea. Try not to do that without the gun on top of it, alright? Push this for the power, it's fast. Push it again for slow speed, push it again for off. You would screw your gun onto here, which I will demonstrate. So basically you get your gun, you get your compressor, you throw her on like this. Now you don't want to screw anything on too hard, guys, because then it's just going to jam up. You know, it's going to be hell to try to get it off. You don't want to screw it on. You just want everything to be snug, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Alright? It's got the LED on the back for when it's charging. Okay, if you want to charge it hardwire, there you go with the charger hardwire. Boom. All right, we got the Beamteam XL right here. What do we got on the bottom? We got TOMB45, Beamteam XL. TOMB45 is official Instagram, made in China. Dope product. We got the charger here, which I just showed you. You plug it to that little plug in the back, charge it in, boom, you're charging away. Again, this thing is wireless, so if you do have the power mat, you can definitely put it right in that top right hand corner where that box is of the mat. That's what this is for. Boom, put it there, it charges, no issues. So I'm not gonna put any color in it. I'm just gonna show you how it turns on and off and all that, and the speeds. We turn this on, boom, it's on right now. You don't even hear it. Amazing, because it only turns on when you pull the trigger. First speed. You can really feel a nice airflow right here. This is good. This is good. Not too powerful, not too strong. You know what I mean? So you know you're not going to be saturating your client with a crap ton of color. You know what I mean? All right, so you press it again for the lower speed. See? But it's still got a nice airflow, really nice airflow, even on lower speed. And then one more click, and it's off. That's basically the introduction. Not really an introduction, just an unboxing of something that I was really excited about getting. Even though I know there are a lot of unboxings of this guy going around, cleaning of it, the whole nine, but I was excited, so I just wanted to do it. Plus everything's closed, so I can't really show you guys how to do any haircuts at the moment, which sucks. But so I appreciate you guys all checking in, and we'll go back up top. So that was my unboxing for the Beamteam compressor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to use this gun. Super excited. You guys did an awesome job, TOMB45, with this compressor. You know, I already know it's bomb. I'm sure all you guys already know it's bomb too because of all the other reviews out there. But guys, I was just so excited to get this thing that I just wanted to do a review on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. Please smash that like button. It does help the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Stay safe, stay real, stay blessed. Catch you guys soon.